Looking for an OEM Plus dash kit that's under 100 bucks? And drilling is optional. I gotcha. So I have been in the market for dash kits for the 5th gen 4Runner quite a while. I am not a big fan of those big bulky kits that you drill on the stereo and the head unit. I feel like it's going to limit my visibility. I like it to be slim, low profile, and looks like OEM Plus. Looks like it came from the factory. This is where Tacform comes in. OEM Plus, not bulky, does not cover your sights because it's low profile. Kicker, it's under 100 bucks. They have 2 versions of their mounting system. They call it the Traxx system. They have the Slim track and an Assault track. I got right here is their Slim track. Let's unbox this baby up and let's install it, shall we? Alright, so installing this is pretty straightforward, very easy. So this is the base. Flip upside down, there's 3M adhesives. So you can use the adhesive only. So you mount it on top of the head unit, or you can bolt it. Using the hardware provided, it is 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And they give you a drill bit, so you don't really need to think about how are you gonna drill a hole in there. Then attaching the track, either the Assault track or the Slim track, this is the Slim track, you're gonna have 8 screws right here. So as you can see, there's a lot of holes in the base. How would you know where to put those 8? So you align it. After aligning it, you would actually see how many holes, on where the holes you're gonna put those screws in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tip: if you're having a hard time aiming the screws, use your rear view mirror. After screwing in it, attach your accessories. So they have many add-on accessories to choose from. These are the accessories I opted for. Phone mount, you got a radio mount for my mid-lid, and a switch panel mount. So for every add-on they have, let's open this. It's always comes with a base where this attaches to the Slim track, an arm which attaches to the base, and the device mount that attaches to the arm. I did the same process on all of my add-ons. So the switch panel bracket is actually for an aux beam 8 gang. It says right here is AB8, so that's aux beam 8. I switch out my aux beam to, I currently have a Mictuning switch panel. If you haven't seen my previous video, the link will be in the description below. What I did, because again this is meant for the aux beam 8 gang, this is the aux beam, and it fits perfectly on the holes on both sides, perfect. But for me, Mictuning, there is a lip right here and it's wider. What I did, I removed these 2 top screws and I see that it aligned to both of the holes. Took out the screws and put it in. Still works in my application. And put that ball up top to mount it to the arm. Works out. So the Slim track came with cable management clips. You can insert this on one side of the track. It's a little tough to insert because it's definitely snug. But after that, putting the wires is easy. So alongside their add-ons, they have accent kits. So right now, this is my phone mount add-on. And the socket arm, you would see a black color right there up top. That means the accents on this arm are black. So they have different colored accent kits. So it depends, you can mix and match different colors. I think they have 7 colors, which I think it's really cool that you can match the inside of your truck to your outside. So it's been about 2 weeks since I installed the dash kit, and I really love it. Number 1, drilling is optional. So currently I didn't drill it. If I really wanted to be sturdy, I would actually drill it. If you're doing like a pre-runner build or you go to trails a lot, I would suggest drill it. But at this point, it's been really sturdy. The quality of this dash kit is really amazing. This is not plastic. It's made of aluminum. And I like the fact this is all the Allen wrenches that they provided for you. That's a lot. But again, this is really cool because you don't even really need to think about the tools that you need in installing it. They provide it for you. I also like the fact that they give you some security screws. It is optional. This is for their arms, but again, they give you everything that you need. And I don't think I really need security bolts, but if you really wanted to be secured about it, you have that option. And lastly, I have fun building this. It feels like I'm building a Lego because everything fits, everything is, I feel like they really thought about how they actually piece everything together. If you're in the market for a dash kit, definitely look into Tacform. Their quality is definitely competitive compared to the other budget options out there. If this video has given you some sort of value, hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Paalam.